Tired of the back and forth emails just to nail down a meeting time? Let's ditch the scheduling struggle and set up a meeting in Calendly, step by step. First, head to calendly.com and make sure you're logged into your account. This is your dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now, see that blue plus button, usually near the top right, click it. This is how we start creating a new event type, which is essentially a type of meeting. You'll see the options appear: one-on and group. If you're meeting with a single person, choose one-on. If you need to meet with multiple people at once, select group. For this example, let's pick one-on. Alright, let's give your event a name. In the what event is this field, type in something descriptive, like discovery call or client consultation. Something that tells people exactly what the meeting is for. Next, choose your meeting location. Click the location drop-down. Calendly integrates with tons of platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and even lets you specify an in-person meeting location. Select your preferred option. Now for the critical part, availability. Click the When Can People Book This Event section. Here, you'll set your availability rules. You can customize the days and times you're free for meetings, block out holidays, and even set custom date ranges. Click on the Additional Options tab. This is where you can personalize your meeting experience even further. Set up email reminders, customize your cancellation policy, and even add a booking page confirmation message. Once you're happy with everything, click the Save and Close button. And just like that, your meeting is scheduled in Calendly, ready to be shared. No more scheduling headaches.